Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So my recipe I'm making today is minced beef and bean stew. And my ingredients are fresh minced beef, baked beans in tomato sauce, red kidney beans, sweet corn, beef stock cube, and crushed chilies. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing is putting my pot on medium heat, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in the minced beef. So I'm just going to leave the minced beef in the pot just so it can become a nice light brown colour. It'll approximately take about 5 minutes for it to cook, and while that's cooking I'm going to go ahead and make the beef stock. So now I'm just going to add the beef stock into the glass, and then we're going to half fill the glass. And then just mix it around until all the stock cube is fully absorbed. And so now it's all absorbed. So just looking back over at the mince, you can see here now that it has become a nice brown colour. There is still little pink bits in it, but that's okay because what we're going to do next is add in the beef stock. So I'm just going to cover over this pot, and we're going to leave that for 10 minutes for it to simmer. So now I'm just checking back on the minced beef. So it's been simmering in the pot now for 10 minutes. I'm just going to give it a mix around. So you can see that there's still quite a lot of liquid from the juice from the beef and also the beef stock cube. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drain out all the juice. So now all the juice is drained out and the beef is now really nice and soft, and the beef stock cube will also have given it a really nice flavouring. So what I'm going to do next is add in the sweet corn and also the red kidney beans and my baked beans. And then I'm going to give it a stir around all together. So now it's all nicely mixed together. And my last ingredient to add in is the crushed chilies. So just give it a few little sprinkles around. And then give that a good mix around. And so then I'm just going to put the lid back on the pot, and I'm going to leave it for another 15 minutes for it to simmer, just on a low heat. And so then when we come back, it'll be all ready. So now I'm just coming back to it after 15 minutes of cooking. So it's all cooked really nicely, and as you can see in the video, it's a really nice healthy meal, and it's also very simple to cook. Approximately takes about 30 minutes cook time, and there you have a really delicious and healthy meal. So now all I'm left to do is serve. And so there we have delicious and healthy minced beef and bean stew. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe below, and thank you so much for watching everyone. Have a great day.